Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Frank here on this beautiful morning to come and do calendar review with you. All right, so we're going to start off by finding today, and the next day is the 14th. Everyone, let's say that number together, 14th. And since this month we're working on patterns, we're going to figure out what piece is going to come next. So let's look at our pattern up here. So our core is sun, umbrella, flower, rain. So now, yesterday was a sun. So today is going to be what? Tap, tap your chin. Did you say umbrella? Awesome. All right, so we know that today is umbrella. Make a prediction for what you think tomorrow is going to be. Well, we'll just have to wait and find out. So I'm going to come up, and today is Tuesday, boys and girls. So today is, let's all say it together. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. Awesome. And if today is Tuesday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was Monday. Awesome. And what is tomorrow going to be? Tomorrow's going to be Wednesday. Awesome. And you can see my Wednesday. I have to just move my face there for a second. Good job. All righty. And we are going to click to our spiral review. And on our spiral review, just get out a piece of paper or a whiteboard, up to you on what you're going to do. Oh, while you're getting that out, you can talk to somebody about what coin you see here. What coin do you see? Did you say a nickel? Awesome. I know it's a nickel because it is silver. It has Thomas Jefferson on it. And it is not as big as a quarter. Awesome. Okay, next question. Here we have a number bond, and we need to figure out what is going to be in that blank space. What is it going to be? What is our number bond going to be? So 0, and what is 3? I'll let you guys get your number bond down. Alrighty, boys and girls. What did you write in that blank space? Now, if I have 0 here and I need to make 3, I know that that number right here is going to be 3. So 0 and 3. Oh, you can't really see that color. Let me change it really quick. Oh, no. We'll do blue. 0 and 3 is 3. Awesome. Let's move on to our next question. What is 1 less than the set below? So first you need to count the set, and then you need to tell me 1 less. All right, I'll let you guys go ahead and count that set for me, and then figure out 1 less. All right, let's do some problem solving together. We're going to count this set, and then we will find out 1 less. So 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah! My marker's being very silly today. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did you guys get 12 too? Awesome. Now I need to find out what 1 less than 12 is. So I have 12 and I'm going to go backwards. What is 1 less than 12? The correct answer is 11. So 1 less than 12 is 11. Awesome job. All right, last question. Here we are going to fill out this blank chart to find out our numbers through 20. So go ahead, boys and girls, and write your numbers 1 through 20. I'll be back in a second to show you all the answer. All right, I'm going to switch to my pen tool and we're going to write these numbers together. So 1, 2, and check your work as we go. 3, ooh, that's not my best 3. 4, 5, 6. Now, boys and girls, if you didn't have time to finish, go ahead and pause and come back when you're ready to check. We have our 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I should hear you counting with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and our last number is 20. All right, boys and girls, that was our last question for today. I love you so much, and I hope you all have an excellent rest of your day.